This topic will cover the Vertiv DSView Solution RM1048 NAT configuration. In this session, we'll walk through how NAT works, how to set up an IP pool, how to configure NAT roles, and verify external access to connected service processors. NAT, or Network Address Translation, allows devices connected to the RM1048's internal network, typically with IPs like 192.168.10, to be accessed from external networks using routable IP addresses. This is essential for launching remote sessions like VKVM, SSH, or web interface to service processors. To begin, log in to the RM1048 web interface. Next, navigate to Network Configuration on the left-hand sidebar and select IP Pool. Click the plus icon to add a new pool. Choose Range IP and define a block of routable IPs. Then click Add to save the pool. Now, under Network Configuration, select Destination Port Mappings. Here, you'll assign NAT rules by mapping internal ports to external IPs from your IP pool. This allows external systems to reach internal devices through NAT. It's important to note that there is no need to create destination port mappings for port 443 for newer ILO devices. You should keep the destination port mappings to 5900 for older ILO and iDRAC devices. Now that the IP pool and destination port mappings have been configured, select the NAT Setup tab. On the NAT Setup page, in the top right corner, select the plus sign. In the pop-up menu, select the desired target device to be mapped to an external IP. Select Continue, and on the next page, input the external IP from the IP pool, the external port, and the target port. You also have the option to input a client IP and an expiration date. Now, select Add. You should see the new configuration on the NAT Setup page. Note the target IP and the external IP. To test, input the external IP into your browser. You should receive the target web page. You can now externally access the service processor using the NAT IP. Remember, NAT is only available on the RM1048. If the RM1048 is enrolled in the MP1000, NAT still works, but all configuration must be done directly on the RM1048. Also, if you unenroll the RM1048, custom IP pools and NAT roles may be erased and need to be reconfigured. That concludes our video on the NAT configuration for the RM1048. With these steps, you can securely and efficiently access service processors from external networks.